Hey everyone, welcome to week 2 of the course. I really enjoyed reading all your introduction posts last week and starting to get to know all of you. For this week, in week 2, we're going to be covering modules 3 and 4. So the topics for this week are food safety and food processing. And these are really introductions to these concepts. We will continue to revisit food safety and food processing throughout the semester as we look at each different type of food product in more detail. So we're just starting with an overview of these topics. So for food safety, you have course material, there's a video there, also a quiz due for that topic, and the discussion for that topic will be centered around recalls. And these, the instructions are to find a recent recall. Feel free though to go back a few years or quite a few years if there's something specific that you'd really like to investigate, maybe one of the higher profile recalls. Those are all options. If you have time, I encourage you to take a look at what is already posted and try to find something different if you're posting a little bit later in the discussion. And it's okay if there are some duplicates. That's kind of inevitable with this. Even if you look ahead of time, someone else might be simultaneously working on the same. That's fine, but the more variety we can have, the better. So if you have a chance to look for, kind of deviate from what's already posted, that's awesome. So that's the food safety content. For food processing, again, this is going to be kind of a high-level overview of the main types of processing. So there's a lot of very specific processing done with different types of food, but for this module, we're going to look specifically at big types like canning, freezing, dehydrating. You know, what are the main ways that we can process food? And so we're going to take a look at those, and then in discussion, you're going to take a deeper look at specific processed food products. And so you have a lot of freedom here to choose the type of product that you look at and do that investigation. Again, if you can take a look at what's posted and try to find something novel and different, that always helps our discussion be more interesting and engaging overall. So that's the main content for this week. You've got 2 discussions due and 2 quizzes due, both on Module 3 and Module 4. So if you have any questions about this or really anything else as you're all getting used to the course, it is still only week 2. You are welcome, as always, to send me an email, stop by one of my drop-in student hours, or send me a message in Canvas, whatever works best for you. I'm here to support you, and I hope you have an awesome week.